Hi guys! Welcome back! Ayan. So ngayon magluluto tayo ng almusal. Meron tayo dito itlog. Ayan. So this is egg. And meron tayo dito hot dogs. Ayan. So gagawin natin tatanggalin lang natin yung plastic na to sa hot dog. Ayan. Hello, hello. Good morning. And tapos, slice lang natin dito para maluto talaga yung hotdog. Yan. Slice, slice, slice. Ayan, okay na. Shout out to all my dear lovely viewers. Thank you so much guys for watching. Ayan, tapos, ayan yung ating, ayan. Maglalagay lang tayo ng oil. Okay? Oil. Ayan. Ayan, oil. Natutulog yung mantika. Okay, so, tapos, egg. Lapit natin yung ating camera. So, this is it. Kita na natin. Ayan, para kita. Ayan. Ilagay na natin yung ating hotdog. Hotdog muna. Okay. Thank you so much guys for watching. Ayan, lulutuin na natin yung ating hotdog. It's cooking. Have a great day everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.